gladiator.
Passion and drive and willpower and all that stuff just oozes out of the guys.
When he's skating and he's coming, it's like a whole nother reality.
Everything was routine. You know, I'd done that run a couple times in practice.
Backflip rocket air, he's got it.
Before I knew it, I saw the coping right in front of my feet, my shins, and I was like, oh, here we go. I felt like Raggedy Ann, like I was just like a rag doll, and I felt like the coping ripped my foot off.
Everyone in the audience was saying, he's done, and I said, that's Danny Way. I said, he is never done.
Wanting to walk off on his own power as only Danny does.
And then the medics took me, you know, in the back and started assessing my foot, and they're just like, dude, your foot is pretty much blown up, you know. We don't recommend you go back up there. We think you should call it a day. And I'm like, that's not my style.
Are you going to be able to take your 4th and 5th run?
I'm taking every run. I don't know how in the universe he can come back from that.
I don't see how he can.
I didn't see Danny, so I was like, oh, I guess I'm going. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh my God, he's coming back. He's actually going to take that run.
He eats, sleeps, and bleeds skateboarding, and this is a testament to it. Come on, Danny. Make this one safe.
I couldn't believe he stood up, shook everybody off. Leave me alone, I want to walk.
Oh my gosh! Danny Way! What in the world? Are you kidding me?
Almost killing himself, coming back, making it look like he hadn't even fallen, you know what I mean? Like, it was ridiculous, dude.
Let me tell you something. If ever you say that you can't do something, remember Danny Way.
What Danny Way did on that ramp is an inspiration for a lot of people. There's no stopping that guy.
Danny Way has the biggest presence in the house. I mean, there's no doubt about it.
Like, I've never had that much honor from people ever in my whole skate career. And it meant the world to me.